Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll see how to create frequency distribution in Excel. Frequency distribution is nothing but the summary table. For example, in this case, I have the name of the students and I have the marks which has been scored by each of the students. And towards my right hand side, I have made use of print. This one I have manually typed. I need to know the number of students who have scored less than 35. And the second range contains 36 to 50 and the third range from 51 to 65 and so on. There are different ways in order to create this frequency distribution table. You can make use of analysis toolbar and lot more options are available. But in today's video, I'm going to walk you through to create frequency distribution by making use of frequency function. So in order to make use of frequency function, make sure you select the range of data. Now, make use of frequency function. Just press tab key so that the function along with the open brackets gets open. Now it is asking for data array. Data array is nothing but the range of data. Make sure that you select only the numerical values. Press Ctrl Shift and down arrow so that the entire range gets selected. Comma. And then brings array, this is nothing but which I have typed manually. Now select the range of data, close brackets. Now this is the array function. So instead of pressing enter key, you need to press Ctrl Shift and enter. So just press Ctrl Shift and enter. Automatically it is showing the number of students who have scored 0 to 35 in this case. So, if in case you just change the mark of the student, for example, I just change the marks of the students as 100. In this case, I change the marks as 36. You can see towards my right hand side also, the data has been getting updated. So, instead of 78, if in case I type it as 86, you can see that the last value has been updated. And that concludes this video. If you are watching my video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also click on the bell icon for further updates.